The southwesterly winds are very strong and humid as they carry moisture from Arabian Sea. Before reaching the Malabar coast, southern portion of Western Ghats, these unstable winds then brings around 80% humidity, causing sudden and heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning. This sudden phenomenon is known as burst of monsoon. Branches of southwest monsoon: Arabian Sea branch, Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch: monsoon winds originating from the Arabian Sea are further divided into 3 sub-branches. Its one branch is obstructed by the Western Ghats. It climbs 900 to 1200 meters above the slope of the entire Western Ghats. Therefore, these winds immediately cool down along the hillsides of Sahyadri and causes heavy rainfall between 200 to 400 centimeters in the western coastal plains. After crossing the Western Ghats, this wind descends and begins to warm, which reduces the humidity of these winds. As a result, this area receives less rainfall and is known as rain shadow region, leeward side to the east of the Western Ghats. Burst of southwest monsoon. The second branch of the monsoon that arises from the Arabian Sea causes rainfall far in central India through the valleys of Narmada and Tapi rivers to the north of Mumbai. The Chota Nagpur plateau receives 15 cm rainfall from this branch, where it enters the Gangetic plains and meets the Bay of Bengal branch. The third branch of this monsoon strikes the Saurashtra Peninsula and Kutch region, from where it crosses western Rajasthan, moving parallel to Aravallis and cause very little rainfall. It crosses western Rajasthan, moving parallel to Aravallis and cause very little rainfall. Bay of Bengal branch. The monsoon winds of the Bay of Bengal branch strikes along the coast of Myanmar and southeastern Bangladesh. The Arakan Mountains, located in Myanmar, deflects a large part of this branch towards the Indian subcontinent. Thus, the monsoon enters from south and southeast direction rather than southwest direction in West Bengal and Bangladesh. One branch moves along the Gangetic plains and reaches the Punjab plains. Its second branch goes towards the northeast of the Brahmaputra Valley. This branch causes rain in the extensive area, and its other sub-branches causes rain in the Mawsynram. It receives highest annual rainfall in the world, located in the Garo Hills of Meghalaya. During southwest monsoon period, after having rainfall for few days, if rain fails to occur for 1 or more weeks, it is known as a break in the monsoon. Retreat of monsoon. By first week of September, with apparent shift of sun towards south, ITCZ also shifts to the south, as a result of which Tibetan plateau starts cooling, which ultimately results into waking and disappearance of easterly jet stream. In the subtropical region of Himalayas, the jet stream get bifurcated. The jet stream get bifurcated into 2 branches, of which one flows to north of Himalayas and southern branch flows along the foothills of Sibaliks. These branches flow over the Bay of Bengal and pick up moisture and cause rainfall along the Coromandel coast as northeast monsoon. Southern Oscillation Index SOI. Thus, SOI is an index of the difference of air pressure. EI Nino. Trade winds weaken during EI Nino, and eastward movement of water is seen. During EI Nino, there occurs warming of the Peruvian current, which lowers the pressure gradient. It weakens the Indian monsoon. EI Nino occurs after 3 to 5 years. Classification of season: winter, summer, southwest monsoon, retreating monsoon. Winter, mid-December, mid-March to mid-March. Summer, mid-March to mid-May. Southwest monsoon, June to September, retreating monsoon October to mid-December. Transitional season: spring. During winter to summer, onset of monsoon. Autumn, summer to winter, withdrawal of monsoon. Western disturbances. Western cyclonic disturbances are the temperate cyclone which originates over Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia. It moves towards India along with the westerly jet stream. By causing cyclonic rains over the plains and snowfall in the mountains, they disturb the weather of north and northwest India. Winter rainfall caused by them is known as Mahavat in Rajasthan and is immensely important for the cultivation of Rabi crops. Winter rainfall in northwest region. It is caused due to western disturbances occurring in Mediterranean Sea, which gets drains to India by subtropical westerly jet stream. This winter precipitation is highly beneficial for Rabi crops grown in a region and for feeding Himalayas glacier. Local winds during summer. Winds which are caused by local factors and confined to a limit